hope you're having an amazing day. So this is not the video that you guys were supposed to watch today. I did a video on this look yesterday, yeah, and this is the video you guys were supposed to watch. I'll show you the thumbnail, and I don't know, I guess it wasn't meant to go up because I accidentally deleted it right after finishing the thumbnail, which is kind of funny, but at the same time I didn't feel good about it because in the video I love how the look came out. Like, I really liked how it came out. It was super easy. I only used like 3 shades from the Modern Renaissance, and yeah, but for some reason my energy was just a little off. I don't know if it was because the picture I was recreating and I was just like kind of down and stuff. So I'm kind of glad. I kind of felt like this relief when I accidentally deleted it because it was an accident, and I felt so dumb, but it's okay because I had another tag ready to go. Really easy. I kind of want to make this shorter than usual just because I do want to upload today. So I am shooting this today and uploading this today. And this is the 5 random facts about me tag. This was created by a YouTuber named Nikki Raven, and the person that I saw recreating this tag was Kitty J Havoc. I think I said that right. I don't know, she's so cool. She's so like, the words that come to mind right off the bat with her when I think about her is like, she's unapologetically herself, and I really love that. I feel like she's just herself. Like, she doesn't hide any part of her. She's just like cool and funny, and she's really cool. So if you don't already follow her, I'll have her video linked down below, as well as the creator's video in the description box. So let's get into this. I have 5 random facts, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first fact is that ever since I can remember, when I was a little girl, during Christmas or just like any time of the year, but especially during Christmas, I remember, like, you know, you have your lights on. I used to be that person that I liked having like all the lights off and then just a tree with the lights on, you know, the little like colorful lights around it and stuff. So having the Christmas tree on and just sitting in the dark and just kind of just staring at it and admiring it. But the thing that would always come to mind, a gift that I always wanted for some reason, and something that I'm gonna get one day but I haven't yet, is a pig. And it's so random, but for some reason I've always wanted a pet pig, specifically like the teacup pigs, those little baby pigs, the ones that don't grow that big. I don't know, it's just like a wanting of a pig. Like, I just want a pet pig. I do have 3 dogs and I love them, but for some reason I've always wanted a pig, and that's something that I'm gonna make happen one day, maybe when I move out. But yeah, so that's random fact number 1. So random fact number 2 is one that, I mean, I do either all the time or sometimes, and that is zodiac related videos or like card reading videos. And I don't really hear anyone talking about it, but there is a whole community on YouTube that is people reading cards for the community or for the collective, you know. So if you're a Virgo, there's like a specific video. It could be monthly, weekly, sometimes daily. People do dailies, and you know, it's fun just to see what's gonna happen. Of course, not all the videos are gonna resonate with you. You kind of have to choose the one that you're more attracted to or drawn to, or the reader that you're drawn to. And I have a couple shout outs, you know, if you are looking for that, if you want to see someone's video, whatever, if you're interested in that, you just never knew where to go. I do have a couple readers that I love. They're just so on point, and I always, like, whenever they upload, I already know, like, oh yeah, this is gonna resonate. Of course it doesn't always, but the readers themselves are so amazing. The first one being, she's under Patricia 1111, 4 ones. She's so accurate, and she gives you like literally like an hour video, and I think she does weekly. She's just so on point. If you want to check her out, she's really cool. Also, another one is Missy. She has an Instagram, xi_Missy_xi. I don't know. I'll have it right here. Her Instagram, she posts on YouTube as well. I feel like her Instagram lives are more accurate for me for some reason, and she does them almost daily. She's just so funny, great personality. She's like a card reader, but like a motivational speaker all in one. She is an Aquarius, so she's just so fun, and like she cusses So if you don't like that, don't go check her out. But yeah, so she cusses. She's just like herself as well. She reminds me of Kitty. Just like she doesn't care if people disagree with her. She doesn't care if people don't watch her stuff, but she'll tell you like straight out what the truth is and stuff. She's just really cool. So if those are two amazing people that I really recommend you watch if you have been thinking about watching those kind of videos. They're just fun, and it's just fun to kind of see, you know, we make our future, but that's kind of like, I don't know, sometimes they give you hope. Like if it's a good one, maybe they give you certain messages that you need to change something in your life. That has happened to me. So random fact number 3 is that I actually went to school for psychology, and I was a psychology major for a couple of years, but I recently got into, oh no, I've been working at schools for a while, but this time I work with special ed kids, and it's really fun. It's like rewarding. It's just it's a good job. Okay, 2 more. So fact number 4 is that I actually used to have braces. My front teeth right here, they were so messed up. It's like one was kind of pointing up, it was like moved up, and it just looked weird. I don't even have any pictures because I would never smile or show my, well, I used to smile, but I would never show my teeth. That was such a big insecurity. I just did not like my teeth, especially because it was like right in the front right here, and also like some other teeth were kind of messed up. So I did have braces for a couple years, and actually, fun fact, they didn't come off until February of this year. I had it for such a long time. I had teeth extractions. My wisdom teeth were pulled during that time. It was just like a lot, because apparently I had too many teeth and a little mouth, so they needed to do 4 teeth extractions, which wasn't fun. I have a picture of the day that I removed them, and I'll put it right here. I was so happy, as you can tell, and I never smile with my teeth, and that, I don't know, like once I got home I was so happy because it took so long. And you know, they say don't eat this, don't eat that, don't chew gum. I used to do all that and nothing ever happened, but just like having that restriction, like I just did not like them. And then you would get like burns in your mouth and like blisters and stuff from the metal. I just didn't like it. So yeah, that's fun fact number 4. Okay, last random fact about me is that when I eat pizza, I eat it in a specific way. I don't know why. It's just since middle school, I remember, like I never really realized it until we were sitting down, you know, at a tree with my friends during lunchtime, and then this janitor was like, okay, that's weird, because what I do is I get my pizza and I eat all the top stuff, so like the cheese and the pepperoni, whatever's on top of it, and then I eat that first, and then I have just the, you know, the pizza without anything on it. Then I fold it like a taco. I eat it from the tip and I start eating all the way to the crust, and then the crust I eat last. I don't know why, that's just something that I love. And a random fact, Domino's is my favorite pizza. I just love that pizza. I love the crust, it just tastes so good. Yeah, and let me know what your favorite pizza place is, and we made it to the end of the video. Yeah, so this was interesting. So crazy how life works. Like, I don't know what got into me, and literally just like blankly, like when you're not thinking, deleted the video. And everything happens for a reason, but it just kind of got me angry because I had worked on it. It was already ready. I just needed to upload, but it's okay because now you guys get to learn a little more about me. And I will be posting on Thursday my Santee video using all the new makeup that I received. I can't wait for that one. That one's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna film that tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. I do have some videos in the description box if you want to give them a watch. They're from last week. They'll be down there. I do post every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday if you wanted to know that. If you'd like to follow me on my Instagram, my Insta handle will be right here. I post a lot of finds, a lot of makeup swatches, makeup looks, liquid lipstick swatches because I'm a liquid lipstick lottery. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun over there. It would be great if you could come join us. It would be amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you